right, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Louis Tomlinson here with Lazy, and this song actually lets you be lazy. We have one chord progression that goes in the same way through the entire song. We have the capo set on fourth, and with that, we have the best chords ever. And yes, his whole new album, because this is a track from the new album called How Did I Get Here? It's a guitar-led pop music album, okay? And this one is maybe not the most guitar dominant track out of the new tracks, but still you can hear that guitar in the background there working for us. So yeah, speaking of guitar, this is a great guitar, all right? And if you want to have this one or one of these from Anchor Guitars, I highly suggest you go to their webpage, Anchor Guitars, and use my coupon code there. It's GordonGuitar10 to get 10% off from already great priced guitar. Okay, they're very affordable. You get even a better deal. I recommend that highly. So yeah, back to this tutorial. Lazy, capo on fourth. Let's go through the chords. We're gonna start with E minor first. That goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Then we have two kind of transition chords. I think I'm working with the B minor 7 and the A sharp minor 7. Okay, so it's just a slide from the same grip. So the first grip, B minor 7, you have a bar chord, place index finger on the second fret, push down 5 strings if you count from bottom up, and then you need to add fourth on D, and then third on B. Usually when I play this, or usually I mean this is a pretty new song, but so far I've played more on the bass string, so focus to have on that second A and fourth D, okay? That is where you start. If you have time, you grab the full chord, and you can go all the way down, of course. It doesn't harm anyone, or yeah, it's actually great for the song if you can go full downstroke, but the focus here is the bass, okay? So from that, B minor 7, you go one fret upwards here, slide up with the same grip, and you land on this position, okay? That is the A sharp minor 7. Again, bar on the first fret now. You add this third D and second B. Goes fast there, and the second pretty much actual chord you're gonna work with a lot is the A minor. Okay, and it goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. So we have that chord progression. It goes through the entire song. We can play it in two different ways. I showed you both ways here in the introduction tutorial. We're gonna start with just the downs, okay? So one string around will be like this. Okay, so notice I'm playing on the bass strings mostly, but on the third down out of this 4, I play on the higher strings down here. So it's bass, bass, top, bass for one round. Okay. And with that, we're gonna play E minor one full round. Then you go to these two transition chords, the B minor, 2 downs only. And again, on the bass, that's the most important thing here. And then the same on the A sharp. And finally you land on the A minor and play 2 full rounds. And that's it. So slowly like this. A couple of rounds standard. And so on. Now you can go with a string pattern that is more focused on the kind of beat in the song, not so much the rhythm, but also, of course, we have to have a great mix there. So this one is played down, up, clap, up. Okay, so for E minor. Okay, so. Down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up. with the same pattern here. We're going to play E minor 1. Then we have again 2 downs on the B minor, 2 downs on the A sharp, and then A minor, 2 strumming rounds like this. And that, my friends, is how you handle Tomlinson's lazy song here. So it's okay to be a bit lazy sometimes. If it flows, it flows. And this is one song that actually does that. So good luck with this. Hope you enjoyed it. And next time, play tuned.